Yo, 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 yo. Gold is still very bullish. We've broken Friday's high. We're still pushing up. Small bottom wick. So for buyers, I need price to pull back. Maybe retest this 4-hour support or even this 4-hour resistance. So maybe that's a little retest. Or let's take that off. Maybe retest of this 30-minute support as well. This is the same as the 4-hour support. Maybe pull down, retest this last lower high. Higher low, sorry. 2618. Just retest down here. It's a key level. Resistance turn support. Looks good. And continue up. For sells, I would need to see a double top in a minor downtrend structure, or a high time frame like 4-hour resistance formed to pull back. But that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, so we gap down to open the day. Let's get rid of that. So where do we open up today? 2618. It's like a 40 pip gap down. Right, let's send the zoom to the group. Right, so we got a bit of a range before London Open. Got a nice push up during Asian session. This is 100 pip push. It's been doing that a lot recently. We've got some good ranges to play with. This is what, 60 pips. This is 60 pips. 18, it's 120 pips. Some good uptrend structure.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo.
Mad thing.
Yo, it's been pushing crazy in Asia recently.
No, man. I was just thinking, like, there's nothing. I always remember, like, when you said, like, gold is bullish. I was thinking, nah, man. Like, you can't just, like, out of nowhere just go crazy like that.
This ain't even going crazy. This is just normal. This is just structure.
Mad.
This ain't even crazy. It don't take nothing for gold to push. If it's bullish, it's gonna keep moving bullish. That's it.
That's bad. I thought, yeah, I'm gonna go sleep now. I was looking at it yesterday.
Yeah.
Before I went back about 11ish.
Oh, when it opened.
Yeah, and I was like, yeah, it's not really doing much. It's just there. And then I woke up at like 4 this morning.
Yeah.
I was like, if I check it, I'm not gonna go to sleep. But I saw it was like at the same level as the last long bear candle on the hour time frame. So I was like, all right, maybe it might go down a bit more, like closer to the 20 SMA, the 20 EMA line. And I thought, all right, cool, I'll wait. I woke up and it just went bang.
Yeah, kept on pushing, bro.
Yeah. On the hour time frames.
Just kept on pushing.
Yeah, so it wasn't close to my EMA until what's it?
You can share your chart in the Zoom.
Okay. No, I'm still in my room, to be fair.
Oh.
I'll see if I can do it. Must be able to. Can you see it?
Yes. Oh, that's a nice bounce, you know. Oh. See, the entry would have been the bullish candle, the second bullish candle.
Yeah, right here it is.
Yep. Beautiful.
I'm fuming because when I woke up, it was like here. And I was like, oh. It was around there. I just thought, nah, surely not.
And you know what? It's perfect. So when I was looking with EMAs back in the day, so you've got a support there. Do you know what I mean? It's respected the support. Tap the EMA line. Bullish closure. It's like nearly engulfing as well. Yeah, that's textbook entry.
Yeah. Yeah, I would have got in on that as well. But I was just thinking, because it was so early and I weren't supposed to be up. I was like, if I get in now, I don't want to fall back asleep and then stuff happens. Yeah,
because that would have been like, what, 3 in the morning, I think that was?
Yeah. Yeah, literally. One day I might just actually do it all night, you know.
Nah, don't do it.
I might do it all night and just trade the Asian session and see what happens because there seems to be a lot of fireworks in there.
Do you know what? Asian session, when you go back over like the last 2 weeks, gold has been pushing at either 2 or 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
2 or 3 o'clock. That's when I've noticed the push start always around that time. In between those hours, 2 and 3. Yeah.
It seems like they get a lot of volume in it.
Yeah. Yeah. And there'll always be like a good, say, 50 to 100 pips for the move.
Yeah, look at that. Bloody hell. That was at 7 a.m. on Friday. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Can't start, won't stop.
Yeah, gold is definitely on a tear. I know the Discord group, they want gold to pull back.
Yeah.
gonna pull back when it's ready. I don't know when it's ready though.
Yeah, I don't think it's ready anytime soon. And then again, I looked at the divergence stuff again. Because obviously it's in the uptrends. But as you can see that here.
So it wouldn't be from there. So when you look at, you see the RSI, yeah? It would start from the peak. So from the part that's over. So if you hover, yeah. So that has to match up with at the same time as the chart. So you wouldn't go back to that first one because that first one is below 70. So you would start with the peak that's above 70 when it actually starts making the lower highs. Yeah, so from there, so the same place on the RSI, the same place, starting place on the chart. So that first peak, yeah, right there. So that 9 o'clock on Friday. So you would draw your lines from there on both.
So like there.
Yeah, it doesn't even have to touch the peak. Like you could just, it doesn't have to go through it because it's still bullish, man.
Yeah. Because then I saw like obviously this side is like, can I even draw on the RSI?
Yeah, you can draw on the RSI.
So whatever. Oh yeah, I can shit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay, funny. Like that, innit?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's the divergence when it's above.
Okay. Yeah, because it's saying that like it's not like it's respecting the last high, but it's not reading this as a higher high.
Exactly.
Than the previous. Yeah.
You know what Drizzy was saying about the higher time frames, making sure the higher time it's a stronger pullback when the higher time frames have divergence. So the 1 hour and 30 minute might be like a quick move, whereas a bigger pullback will come from 4 hour and daily divergence.
Yeah, because the 4 hours is not a divergence at the moment. Well,
let's see. Oh, it looks like it. Well, once this 4 hour candle closes, well, it kind of is, isn't it? Because we got the peak. Yeah.
Yeah, true. Yeah, it is.
Yeah. See, that's why they're all calling sells, looking for sells, because the divergence is crazy.
Yeah, I didn't really get it before, but like, I think yesterday's call I thought it was a good call yesterday.
Listen, I'm vexed, yeah, because I said to Ash, I said I want to record this call. You get me, for the people that miss it. She was like, nah, they ain't been here in a couple weeks. Don't record nothing for them. I was like, alright, cool. The gems in that call. Oh my God. I wish I could go back over it. Yeah. I'm recording all of them from now. I ain't listening to them. I ain't listening to them.
Yeah, to be fair, that, what was that thing called yesterday?
Fibonacci.
Is it Fibonacci?
Yeah.
That I never knew what that was before. I've heard the name, but I never knew what it was.
Like it's good. The thing with Fibs, like I like it for, like I said, the future targets.
Yeah,
I like it for that.
That's what, like, especially as we're at all-time high and there's nothing to the left.
Yes.
That would be a good indicator for us. But I don't know how to use it. Like, I saw him just drawing it up quick, but I didn't know, like, where to start from, where it's supposed to.
So if you're not using it, well, that's the good thing about having people that use things in the group. You don't really have to use it for yourself. You can just go by what he's saying, and that's what I've been doing. Because I don't want to add another thing to my chart.
Yeah, I hear you.
Do you know what I mean? And then learn how to use that.
Yesterday, and it looked all mad.
But then he's he's a swing trader though, so it's not really for scalping or day trading. Yeah. He can hold trades for like the whole day. That's his thing. So he's using the long plays and he's getting in. Like he's compounding multiple positions. If that was my style, I'd definitely do it because he can push an account. But he was telling us yesterday his his leverage is 1 to 3,000.
Wow. Well, I mean, to be fair, like, he was in that mad drawdown the other day, innit? Do you remember? And then the next day it just flipped, and he was just in mad profit. Do you remember?
Who? Was he?
Yeah, I can't remember. Like, I think there was like loads of, was having like a sell or something.
With the 3 lots?
Yeah, we made like, there was when was it, man?
That might have been Mix.
No, not his one, because he had the funded account, innit?
Yeah, not him.
No, I think it was this day when everyone was selling off. We're like, yeah, and he was like, oh man, it's not looking good right now.
Oh yeah, he jumped out of that. But he traded small. He didn't do nothing big. Okay. And then he got in on the buys.
Yeah,
he got back in. Yeah.
After that.
Yeah. We was talking about that yesterday. Because I said, how did you manage that trade that was for the news, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, he said he jumped out of that and then got back in some buys. But he doesn't trade big, so I think he says he starts with 0.10, so he was like, I could lose $100. It's not bad. He's not doing nothing crazy. I want to see how this candle closes. The thing is with gold, I don't want to start looking for sells, because if you look what happened last week, just like towards the end of Friday, it was making downtrend structure.
Yeah.
Like just minor downtrend structure. It didn't break back into like the last zone below the resistance that it made at 2618. It just price pulled back there and it held, didn't it? It turned that resistance into support.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, and then now it's pushed up. So I think today could be the same. Really, if it drops down, I want price to retest 2625 and then make a support there to push back up. But if it breaks below 2625, I think we could come down to like 2618. Yeah.
Yeah, I got caught on that sell last Friday, man. I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna stop here.
Yo, that push down was it was fast.
Yeah. It's literally with like just one candle. It's like over the space of an hour.
Yeah.
It just dropped.
Quick.
Like, it's this one, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
Dropped like mad, and then it done a lower. Was it a lower low and a lower high? And then the candle dropped like halfway down. I was thinking, yeah, boy, this is it. And then it just shot back up.
Yeah. It's like it retested that support and then bounced off it. Boom.
Yeah, man.
But these are the kind of pullbacks that gold needed. It needed to form structure to go up.
Yeah, because was it at some stage last week it was just doing nonsense. I think it was this day when it was just rising for no reason. This was through the Asia session, I'm sure. Like that part there was just crazy. Like that part there is that's just like indicating like it's don't know where it's gonna go and it just shot up again out of nowhere.
But see that's my continuation pattern right there. Long bull candle, small bearish candle, or like weak candle, and then another push.
Right.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, looking to lock in this week, man.
Good. What time you gonna you still going into the office?
Yeah, Wednesday, but it's not till afternoon. It's like 3:00.
Oh yeah, I remember you saying.
Yeah, I might even message them today because I'm just like, I don't really see the point of me going in that late when
it's not your trading times.
Yeah, ideally I want to just do it in the morning and get it out of the way, so I can just get home and just chill out.
But you said they have like an afternoon reversal play.
Yeah, end of day strategy, so it's after 10:00.
Oh.
You? Did I just miss that sell?
No, there's no sales here yet. I know you're on that 5 minute
Ask him in my 1 minute, so let me get up out of it.
Yeah, get up out them 1 minute. Because I know it looked like a big ass sell, but it's only 20 pips.
I'll take it. Let me see. I ain't gonna hold him up listening. 26.
But yeah, I was saying looking for price to come down to at least 20, 26, 25.
Okay, 26. Are you looking at the 4 hour, huh?
No, 30 minute, just to retest that last resistance that gold made on Friday.
I want to see it's showing that on the 4 hour as well.
Well, 4 hour resistance there.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Yeah. Same.
Yeah, 25 and the 30. Put an alert on. Must be nice. Put a sell stuff. Put my light on.
Yeah, man. So I'm just so cautious of sales, man. So cautious. Because it could just push up at any second.
Gold is dangerous.
Looks like it's just ranging at the moment.
Yeah.
No value. It's about to come up in y'all session now. Did y'all drop yet?
Yeah, so yeah, our session will soon open about an hour.
Okay.
About an hour. Just a waiting game now.
Not me though.
Alright, cool.
Sleep,
Alright.
Thing about using the higher time frames, you gotta wait for these candles to close.
Yeah, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's like, I don't know, man. I feel like I'm getting it now. Like, you kind of gotta you gotta trade off the hour, man. I think, and then you look for entries on the 30 and the 15. Because like any other way, like even themselves on Friday, I tried getting. Like literally, I was on a 5 minute. I was thinking, yeah, literally, if I want to get in, and I think what it is if you want to get in a scalp, you need to just get in, get out.
Oh yeah, scalping is definitely in and out. But if you're trying to hold, you need to follow the higher time frames.
Yeah, because the worst thing is I got into a sell, but it was like short lived, and I was thinking, nah, it's gonna push down some more, but then like it just flips on me like quick. I was like, oh my days. So you literally just got to go in there, grab like a few pips at a time. Well, I'm trying to fine tune my entries where I'm not in drawdown at all.
Yes.
Well, ideally at all, but like as little time as possible.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. So yeah, you need them sniper entry.
Yeah, man. Then that'll give me a bit more confidence. Like, there was one I did last week where I entered it and it was so clean, like the entry was so clean. I literally entered it, it was on 0, 0, 0, 0.
Oof.
And then it went straight into profit. I was like, yes.
Yeah, that must have been a nice entry.
Yeah, man. So I need to try and do that, man, for sure. But yeah, it don't look like nothing's happening for now. When's the oh, still dropping.
Yeah.
I've set an alert on actually for 2625.
Yeah, I want to see it like retest at least.
I think it's going to break that other low.
It's pushing down nice.
It's still going. But then even, I don't know, I still feel like it's too high for me to get in because like even though it's dropping, it's still not near that 20 EMA.
Okay, so you're waiting for it to pull back towards it. Tap it. And then what, look for buyers?
Yeah, look for buyers straight off that line. But I gotta wait for the candle to close on line and not below.
Yep.
Because if that reverses on line, it's too long. Because they're saying that like if you buy, like, even though they basically say if it's above the blue line, buy it. But if you do, then you're not really leaving much room, especially if there's no ceiling.
Yeah,
there's no
there
resistance
isn't.
at the moment, so you could be buying in a random place, collecting like 10 pips, and it just does a downtrend and it'll finish. Then we've still got 2.5 hours as well for the full hour.
Yeah. It's a waiting game, man. Waiting game.
Yeah. I might hop out for an hour and then come back to it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright, cool. I'll jump back on the board a bit.
Yeah, man. In a bit.
Yeah, alright, cool.
So waiting game. Morning. Right, 30-minute close bearish. Still within this range. Bottom wicks. Bias from the retest. From the retest down here. I want bias from a retest here, but if price closes below, then I'm looking for sales down to this next zone. But I'm not taking sales in the middle of the range. Ideally, if price comes back and retests this resistance, I'll be looking for sales down. Like, these would have been the sales from here, but That's at 6:30. Wasn't even looking at the charts then. What sells from the retest up here? If price comes back up here, then if it closes above, I'm gonna get my water. It's not ain't happened just yet. I wonder if this 30-minute might fill this wick. We had a lot of rejections from around here. What does it look like on the low time frames? $5-minute. Oh yeah, these sales would have been nice. Look at that 5-minute triple top. I mean, I say they would have been nice, but that only 30 pips. Push down. got maybe a 40 pips out of that. Yeah, these wicks are just little 5-minute candles slowly dropping bearish. Nothing too interesting. Initially we had a nice range, but this consolidation inside of it. Yeah, I really don't want to look for sells or any moves right in the middle of the range. Potentially fill this wick. Would love to see a deeper pullback to get in for buyers. Very no volume at the moment. I'm looking for buyers. Really, I want buyers. A pullback would be nice. Like I said, if gold retests 2630, then I'll probably look for some buyers. Or even if it creates another resistance, like more downtrend structure, might look for some sells, but It would have to be higher up in this range. But yeah, looks like it's going to fill this wick. Let's see, my friend has a theory that gold has been pushing up at 6:30 every day. So he didn't get it today. What about last week? Yep, started to push Friday. I don't know how much times this happens. Yep, Thursday, 6:30. Damn, Wednesday, 6:30. Tuesday, 6:30. Okay, gold. Okay, little push on Friday, on Monday. I'm doing it. That's it. Fill the candle, break the low. Right, new 15-minute candle. And look at his low. Still pushing. Yeah, the nice sells would have been at this resistance. Top of the range. Just a little bit too early for us. The 15-minute about to break the low. Now, wouldn't have been the entries apart from the one right here. Probably would have been this candle after it retested 7 o'clock, push down, boom. Even then, price was still kind of ranging. It wasn't clean. No point forcing moves. Alright, approaching the previous resistance. The thing is, I don't want to trade against the trend. I really don't like trading against the trend. I'm going to be back. That's a good area of interest. 2625. 7 minutes till the candle closes. See if we bounce around here or push below. Start looking for setups. After 30-minute respects this resistance, probably look for push up. If it closes below, then looking for sells back down to this resistance, turn support. We've got a nice range. This is the last higher low, so really the sells potentially short-lived, because you could create a higher low anywhere within this range and then continue the bullish structure. Plus we've already pushed down 50 pips. So yeah, we've just got to wait and see how this 30-minute closes. Okay, pushing. Don't want it to push too far in the range. And then for sells, ideally, 8 o'clock candle needs to make a top wick and then break the 7:30 candle low, and then we push down some more. Alright, 2 minutes left for this candle.
It's dropping.
Yo.
Dropping. I want the entry with you. You know what I mean, man? Yes, I'm back.
Let's
Draw now.
Good. At computer, yeah?
Yeah.
Thought so. Getting set up. Nice.
Yeah, I used the 6 o'clock just to pre the team.
Yeah.
Then on and then when it's showtime, it'll be in there. I don't know, man. There's no there's a small pullback, but it's like the exact same as that bull candle.
Oh yeah.
I reckon it could still keep dropping, you know.
I think if it closes below this, support, then yeah, I'm looking for sales. But the way it's looking, it's gonna close right here, so.
Yeah, so it could be buy time still.
Yeah.
I'm gonna set up the iPad now.
Oh wait, close below.
Yeah.
So maybe top wick and then keep going.
Yeah. What's this, the 1 hour? Yeah, boy, it's getting close to that blue line. Yes. Yeah, it's still going down. What?
Yeah, it closed below. So I was looking for a nice top wick and then break the low, but it doesn't even have a. the previous candle don't even have a bottom wick.
Yeah, it's still going down then. Let's see what the 30 minutes saying. 30 minutes on the line. But then, like, when I look back at 2 to 3 o'clock, all them candles are all bullish candles but closed below the line. And it went up. So it doesn't really apply to the 30 minutes.
Okay.
I think it's the 1 hour. But I think that's because of the parameters that are set up.
Yeah.
Like, you know, when you go into the settings.
Yeah.
I don't know what's mine. Yeah, I've got 20, 50 and 200, but I don't know what the, there was like a specific one. I can't remember how, but like, yeah, the blues are really close and then 500's furthest away.
Oh yeah, 500 would be super far because it's going up over the last 500 candles.
Yeah. Okay, it seems to be pushing up. Yeah, we've got a while to go, man.
Not before it gets to your EMA.
Well, I'm looking at the 1 hour now, and because it's pushing up, it's gotten a bit further away from the blue line.
Okay.
But yeah, I don't know.
I do want to see a nice top wick and then it re-break its own low and then push down a bit. Let's see how that plays out.
Let me move this meeting to my laptop.
You can share your screen in here so I can see what you're talking about. Okay.
Yeah, because when it was like this earlier, obviously as it goes up, this gets further away and it stop. Here's some distance, bro.
Looks like that's all the top wick that gold wants to make.
See what this is saying, Dixie.
Yeah, it's dropping.
Because Dixie's getting bullish. Oh, it's dropping. Yeah, let's see, it's below it now. So I'm gonna have to see if this closes below the blue line. Then could be
But then also, it could still come back to the 50. The 50 line, that's the 20 line, a deeper pullback.
Yeah, true. Because that's all clean range there anyway.
Where's the 50 on the 30-minute time frame? Yeah. So let's see where you got it, and there's a resistance there as well. Like if it comes down to this area, so that to me would be a good buy target.
From here up.
Yeah, because if you draw a line there across there, like just do it like a horizontal line, starting from the resistance. So go, yes. So starting from there, now you've got a double confirmation. It's a retest of a key level, and it's bounced off the 50.
Yeah, true.
Do you get what I mean? So that's how I would look for trades. I use the 20 and the 50 because the 20 is like the first pullback, but the 50 is just a deeper pullback. So if the 50 holds it, boom.
True.
And that's also a level that I'm looking for a retest. So I've got the same level marked out. I just don't have the EMA on it.
Okay.
So I was looking for buys from a retest. But it's good to have as an extra confirmation, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, that would make sense actually. Because it's gone past daily flip now. But obviously we're early doors.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's been a lot of it's been a quite a key area, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. To be fair, I can go and do this. I don't think it's going to touch anywhere near there anyway. Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember what I pressed, but this that's popped up.
Do you want to take it off or do you leave it on?
I don't know. I don't. It just depends, on it. Like, if this is something that
It's showing divergence.
Yeah. I'm gonna say if it's doing it lifetime or not, like it just depends when it like plays this in it, because it could be a thing where you it pops up after the event's happened. You know what I mean? Like if it's like for example here, like it should have.
Yeah, it should be there now, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, but it just depends how long does it do it for? Is it the whole day? What's that? 8:30. Oh, it's London session. 9:30 to 5:30. Oh no, maybe not.
I mean, it's good to look at.
I think it's maybe there's going to be one here. And then what Drizzy said yesterday about below the 50 should be a great time to buy. You can use this as like a support.
No, if it bounces off the 50, so you have to use the 50. But that's, I think, again, that's on the higher time frames. But yeah, you'd have to talk to Drizzy about that, or Ash. I know they use it as a support level.
How long has this been running for? A long time now. What's that, 6 a.m.? I mean, that's not bad, to be fair. If I woke up at 6 a.m. and it was here and it was like on the move, that would have been a great buy.
How many pips is that?
Where is that?
So you can use, you see the, on the side where you get the tools, you see that the picture of the ruler? You can do measurements with that. So to the left, yeah. You can click. But you have to click it on the actual chart, yeah. What's that, 90, 100? So you got to times that by 10, so 120, 111 pips.
It's not bad. But yeah, this thing. I need to know how to use this, because that was sick. And I wanted to start it from, but mine came up in some mad flipping, what do you call them colours there? Pride colours.
Like a rainbow, yeah.
Yeah. I wouldn't even know where to start. Where do I click from? Where do I start?
It's from a high to a low or a low to a high in structure. So it's looking for pushes up. So the 0 would be at the start of the move, and then the 100 would be the end of the move, or the other way around.
I don't know how I've done it. It's like, this just looks different to what I saw yesterday.
It's the same numbers. You got the same numbers there.
That's where he has like 0. Minus.
Oh, you don't have 27. Yeah, you'd have to ask Drizzy, you know. You'd have to ask Drizzy how he sets it up. Yeah, you don't have the minus numbers. You've got the plus. So you'd have to open them. So you see when you was in the settings.
Maybe it was a different. Maybe you chose a different.
No. So go back to it. Fib retracement. I'll show you. So just open it and then go to the settings. Right. So you see like the ones that are grayed out. You have to enter your numbers in and then do your minus levels. But fib numbers are all the same. 38.2, 61.8, 27. And then, yeah, so just ask him to take a screenshot of his settings and then you can duplicate it in this.
Yeah. So I'll drop that in the Discord.
Yeah. You should be up now.
What's this? I swear I can't get rid of this, you know.
What's that?
This alert that I set up like time ago, this is from like last week. It won't go away.
Oh shit.
It's annoying.
Or go to, you see the clock on the right hand side? Yeah. Try to delete everything. So the little settings bit. Yes, you can delete all. Remove. Not indicators. Just remove all inactive. Yep. Oh, so that one still says active. Yeah, try to delete it from there. No, that's mad.
Stop all. Yeah, mad. I will try to set up a new page.
There we go. Wow. I wasn't trying to leave, was it?
I honestly, I was tired. All that last week, I was trying to get it off. See that? Now this is like created my this is carried over what I did on my phone earlier. But this wasn't showing that before.
Okay. So just need a little refresh.
Yeah. Alright, cool. So I need to mark back that. So either two.
Right, new 15-minute candle's about to open.
You said about, was it here? No, it's here, innit?
What's that?
Remember we drew that resistance line?
It was, yeah, you already got it marked up.
Yeah, you do. It's just not.
It's that green box, the top green box. Just pull it over. Yeah, just drag it across a bit. Yeah, that's it. See, it's such a good level.
Yeah.
But I think on the 30-minute time frame, that's where it looked like it was potentially going to bounce off the 50. Yeah, you see it. Oh, gold is pushing.
Yeah, I just don't want to trade against the trend.
No, I hear that.
I'm bad, still I'm trying not to. This looks like some good sales.
For me, though, what I like about this drop is it looks like what I'm hoping for is that it keeps dropping over the next 15 minutes down to like 26.18, and then I can look for buys there if it holds.
Yeah.
So now I just need this 15-minute candle to take his time and make its way down there.
Because even on the 30, yeah, you can't. I don't know. I think, you know what my mistake was? I think I was using the 30 for structure.
What's wrong with that?
Because I don't know, man. I feel like it can change. Not as quickly as obviously the 15-minute, but it can change. Because looking here now, if this closed in the next 13 minutes, like where it is now, I'll be looking to get into a sell.
You'd get into a sell where?
Like, as in, well, as the rules were, like, it's below the 20, so you would get into a sell because it's going to be a continuation. But then, like...
Is that what the strategy is?
I think it says, like, obviously, if price is above the 20, it's an uptrend and it's a buy, and if it drops below, and then something about them, like when they cross over, like here, for example.
Yeah, because I was thinking, so with the EMAs, if both of them are pointing up, then you want to be looking for buyers. If they're pointing down, then you want to be looking for sells. Like if the 50 is above the 20, you want to be looking for sells. But if the 20 is above the 50, you want to be looking for buyers.
Okay.
That's always how I've been taught with EMAs. Because then it's you don't want to trade against the trend, really. That's why even if it bounces off the 50s, you'll still be looking for buyers because the 20 is still above it, even though the candles are below.
Okay. It's nowhere near this 50 here, but it's going to be...
But even if it did pull back to that 50, it's a very good area for buyers again, because it's a decent support where it's like a previous higher low. But if it was a quick drop without the EMAs coming close and then crossing, it would look good for buyers. It just depends how quick the drop is. If it's a slow drop and then the EMAs start getting too close together, then it's not a good look. But the further the EMAs are apart as well, it's like the more bullish prices.
Yeah. Yeah, for these all cells out.
This would have been what, 40 pips? 10, 20, 40 pip drop right now.
This is kind of run out of steam on this candle, isn't it? You know, buying fully.
Yeah.
Yeah, from when it closed there. I mean, from when it passed this point and then closed there, could have got into a sell, but again, it's like there's no bottom wick. So, and the top looks tiny as well.
But that's good though. No bottom wick is good for sells.
Helps, yeah. It shows it's continuing to go down.
Yeah, and this means the next candle is making the bottom wick anyway. Do you know what I mean? So it's continuing in the way. If you wanted buys, then it's not a good look because then we know that this candle needs to make the bottom wick.
Yeah.
But then look at the daily. The daily is about to flip bearish. Okay. And the daily doesn't have much of a bottom wick as well. So we could see a bit of a drive down, to be fair.
Yeah,
we could see.
Yeah, but then this one didn't have a... Well, I mean, it would have had to create this body in it. And then go up and then...
Yes, yeah. It created a body, but once it broke the high... I remember Friday, it didn't push down much. But once price broke the high of Thursday's candle, that was it. Gold was gone. Gold was gone. But we've got quite a rejection candle, quite a rejection wick now on this daily. Yeah, we got quite a rejection. Yeah, this thing could really drop, you know. Shit. Looking at the higher time frame, look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour's about to engulf the last 4 hour candle. This thing might not actually buy back up. Now I'm looking at the higher time frames. Daily is bearish. 4 hours very bearish. Yeah, we might actually get a drop. Let's see what price does. Let's see what price does. See if this support holds. If this support don't hold, then we got clean candles down to at least 26.11.
This could be, yeah, because obviously the divergence as well, isn't it?
Yes, exactly.
Indications dropping.
I bet Drizzy's gonna say he got in at like 26.30 because he likes them round numbers.
Yeah, that'd have been a good one.
Oh yeah, look at Millie. Millie's in the chat saying that H4 divergence looking good.
Yeah. Bounced off that zone though, temporarily.
Let me see if she's in the cells. I bet Millie's in the cell. Oh, it's tapping. It's just bouncing off that support.
It's the next key zone down here. 605.
Yes. Oh, yes. And that's a nice level too.
Yeah, because at least you've got stuff above.
It's a nice level, that 26. It's like 2606, 2605. That's definitely where I'm looking at.
Let's see what this close is.
Just had a little reaction off that support, but if it busts through, whoo.
Sell time.
Yeah. Because then it's breaking below the last higher low as well. So it's a break of structure.
Mm. Yeah, true. Let me check my little Telegram. I've muted everyone for time. Oh. What's this one? So he's waiting for a retest of 2622 and 2620 area. And then we will sell.
It must already be in. Oh no, it didn't get to it got to 2620. So they must have just got in. Just retested.
Probably waiting for this 3.5 minutes for like 30 candles to close. Confirmation. It says wait for confirmation, but scalpers hit TP2, no? Yeah, they sold from 2627 to 2623.
Nice.
A little bit. That other group, yeah, second group, they hit 3,361 pips last week with no losses.
Wow.
No SL. That's mad. Yeah, I need to get, I might just have to bite the bullet and call Vantage.
Oh, they still haven't set you up yet?
No, I don't know why. I don't know why they haven't. They said I need to just contact my account manager. So I was like, I don't even know who that is. I've emailed them like 3 times. I filled out the application online.
I thought they meant to email the guy who's running the Telegram. Talk to him, no?
Yeah, I did. I managed to get hold of him, and he messaged me. He said that you need to contact your account manager. Please speak to Vantage about it.
Okay.
So I might just, because that's where they're based in like Australia or something, isn't it?
They started off in Australia, but they should have offices everywhere. Cause what? Yeah, definitely. They have a live chat, no?
Yeah, but they'll put you in a queue, and if you're not on the like staying in the chat,
Oh, it
like
bumps you off the place.
it closes the convo. Yeah.
Oh, that's annoying.
So I've been closed out like 3 or 4 times just because I flicked it. That's annoying. I might actually try it on my computer.
That's a good idea. Just keep it open in it somewhere.
Yeah, let's keep the page open.
Alright, 40 seconds till this candle closes. Still respecting this support.
Well, yeah, it's looking like a sell. Still too big, isn't it?
Oh yeah, if you're gonna use the previous candle, yeah, definitely.
Unless we're looking down to that key area again.
Yeah, I don't like how that candle closed, I'm not gonna lie.
Long bottom wick in it.
Not that it's just closed on the key level. It not closed, but it tapped it and then it didn't close below. It's respecting it. So really, I want to be looking for buys.
Buys, isn't it?
Yeah. But if I'm looking for buys, I need to see how this candle closes. So I mean, but then if this candle breaks the previous low, it could continue to push down.
I think it will, you know. It'll go past this 50, I reckon, which is indication for sells. Yeah, this one broke the 20, tapped the 50, and went all the way down.
But then look at how the EMAs are together there. So it's ranging. Yeah, you don't want to see them crossed over like that. But it's closed on. It's tapped the 50 and then yeah, nah. I think the buyers look better to me. To be fair, just based off those EMAs, they look better to me. That's what you wanted to see. It closing above at a key level.
Above 50.
Above the 50.
See how this next candle closes.
I was thinking them higher time frame candles, man. You will be waiting like for every candle to close.
No, it's long, isn't it?
Oh, trust me. Really, the sells should have taken these sells here down. But like looking at the top wick, it didn't make much of a top wick, but it just retested the broken level. That's all it did. Just quick retest, boom, flipped, and then continued to drive down. But it filled this whole range, which this is what I was looking for anyway, just for it to fill here. Because that's 60 pips.
True.
From 26.25 down to the 25.18, 60, 70 pips. If this candle respects this previous low, it's good for buyers. If it breaks it, yeah, we're going down. see what the 5 minutes looking like.
Whoa, he sent a signal in.
What, for sales?
No, for buy the second group with the 100% return.
Ooh, as it's breaking the low. What?
Yeah, he said buy between 2619 and 2615. TP1 2620, TP2 2623. And then stop loss 2613, which is
Yeah, look, this candle's just broken the low. Woo, woo. If it flips back bullish.
For me though, I'd have to see it flip bullish and past this, but then I'm missing out on
What, re-break its own high, innit?
Yeah. But then again, I'm missing out on what entry. He said entry 215, between 215 and 219.
Mm-hmm.
But I wouldn't enter till like 220, so what, 30 pips? Is it worth it?
To see how it plays out. What's up, Drizzy?
Yo.
You been in these sales from 26.30, yeah?
Nah. I just got up like 25 minutes ago.
Oh, okay. I was like, I bet Drizzy's in this drop. Think it's gonna keep going down? What's your analysis saying? I know you want the pullback.
I'm looking for what time frame is this? 30 minutes. Yeah. To that bottom green zone you got.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking. Yeah. So like 206, 2606.
That's what you're looking for buyers.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
I'm kind of
dropping.
mad I missed the sale though. Not gonna lie.
I should have got in at the break of that low, man.
Okay.
Yeah. I thought if price didn't break that support, then I would have been looking for buyers. But once it broke that, yeah.
I mean, but this area is still valid though, depending on how if it wicks back up and closes in that zone, or closes above that zone.
Oh, that first zone. H, take the arrows off. Yeah.
Please.
Yeah. There we go. To see the structure a bit more.
It could potentially wick in this area right here and push back up from there.
That's what that group is looking for, isn't it? Howard, they're looking for a push back up from here. Anyway.
Yeah. Between 2615 and 2619. Back up to 2623, I think. Yeah, back up to here. It's like a scalp really.
So y'all looking for buyers?
Yeah, I'm looking for buyers. I was looking for sales initially on the 8 o'clock candle, but it didn't make enough of a top wick for me, and then it just dropped.
What time is it over there?
It's 8:30, so it would have been the last 30-minute candle. It's 8:38. So yeah, the previous 30-minute candle I was just looking for just a little bit of a top wick because it closed back in this range below 26.25. And then yeah, I wanted it to at least fill this range. It just kept pushing. But yeah, the buyers up would be nice. It's 4 hour though. 4 hours engulfing. Yeah, higher time frames are all bullish, bearish now.
$6.15. Yeah, I woke up to like 12 o'clock, not seeing it up there. Around 26, 25, 26:30, and I was like, yes, let me hop in. I was like too tired to watch it. Right? So I went back to sleep.
Yeah, I saw you lot was in the Asian session.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, Millie got in at the top.
Yeah, I was looking at it too. I'm like, hopefully it's still up there when I get up, but.
Yeah, I wasn't up. I was up, but I wasn't at the charts when it hit that 26.30. But it looks good on the 5 minutes, like a triple top on the 5 minute. If I saw that, I probably would have got in like 10 pips below it. Very good on the 5. Let's see. Yeah, see the DXY is pushing.
Niggas block pushing up.
Yeah. Yep.
That's exactly what I was talking about how this area is still like on the higher time frame it's still valid.
What, for sales?
For buyers, because it can wick in that it can wick past, it can go past that support and then wick back up so it close like an H1 or something.
Yeah, I definitely want to see how this candle closes before I do anything, because the last 30-minute candle respected that support. So to be fair, I was looking for buys up from there if this candle closed bullish at least, or above the support as well. So I totally get that. And it's like a little structure point too. So if it respects this high low.
Yeah. Yep. We respect that, and definitely probably go up to create another high. That'll probably be the last one for real. For the major drop.
Yeah, because this divergence needs to play out at some point. It's just not really giving the pullback.
Mix, I'll be back in a second. I'm just going to make a cup of coffee quick.
Cool. We've got a little 15-minute gap here as well.
You said, let me see that gap? Yeah.
Damn, it's a long 1 hour candle. Jeez. It's like 100 pips.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100 pips drop.
150 from 1 o'clock.
Yeah. That is crazy. I know gold ain't trying to make me wake up no earlier than I do. I swear. Like, I normally get at the charts at, say, around 7. So, like, about 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
And then, because back in the day, I find that if I'm up too early, I'm trying to get in too early, and then I'm getting caught up in fake outs.
Mm-hmm.
So I said, all right, I'm going to take trades after 7:30. But recently, this past month or so, maybe even before that, the moves have been happening earlier. Yeah, this starting at 1 o'clock. That's when the move really started. That's what it was setting up. Yeah, I don't know if gold is going to wick up in 10 minutes, but anything is possible.
Definitely, anything is definitely possible.
H wanted to know how to draw fibs.
On TradingView?
Yeah, but I don't think he's here at the moment, but he was asking.
Okay.
Are you at a PC now, or you off on your phone?
I'm on my phone right now.
Yo, it's just going all the way.
Yeah. I was telling Drizzy one of them to show you how to draw fibs.
Yes, I feel like I tried it yesterday, but the settings are mad. I don't think I know how to.
Can you Drizzy, can you take a screenshot of your settings? Because you know when you first set up your it don't have the minuses.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Hey, do you want to share your chart again since you're back?
Alright, I'm back.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, the group said to sell, but boy. It's the first one, innit? I'm like, They got TP1 at 2612.
Okay.
What was that entry? Entry 2614 to 2615. It don't make sense going there for 20 pips.
I mean,
I was just thinking that.
Yeah, and then their TP2 is.
but they'll say that it's a scalp, isn't it?
Yeah, I suppose. And then they got TP3 at 2600 and then SL 2623, which is like. I'm gonna leave that one. Or 5 minutes. Yeah, I think the bottom of this one will be the start of the vibes, I reckon.
Oh yeah.
See what's up now. Yeah.
You see the settings in the group in the Discord.
Yeah, I'm just opening up Discord on my laptop now. Got it on my phone. Oh, thanks, bro. Yeah, I need that.
Yeah, no doubt.
That is a really, really good indicator. You know, cool.
Anytime Ash gets out of trade, price keeps going in a direction. Now, I would actually love sales to continue down to at least 2606, because that's what, nearly 100 pips if it closes in this range. See if you get a decent top wick on the next candle.
Right, so I've got these settings here, but I don't know how to use them still. I need to I need to learn how to use them. Save that for another day.
Yeah, I'm recording every meeting from now on, man.
Yeah, that meeting yesterday was lit. Do you know what? My missus was cooking for me, innit?
Yeah.
And she was like, oh, you know, dinner's going to be ready soon. I was like, yeah, but I need to join this call. And I was just sitting there and I was like, when as soon as the plate hit the table, I was like, yeah, boy, I gotta go.
Yeah, I hear you. I was eating during the meeting still.
I could hear you. I knew you was eating.
I was chopping.
I know Mix is eating right now. This is prime time, Sunday dinner time.
Listen, I was like, there's no way I can sit an hour through this call. I won't be able to concentrate if I don't eat.
Yeah, I hear you. What's that on? What's Ash's thing on? Is that 5 minute? Must be. Yeah, it is. Yeah, look how many.
Yeah.
Candles are. Right. Let's see what happens. Let me check this 5 minute.
M30, yeah, RSI 40.
Yeah, I think you can buy from here, you know.
That's what she's looking for.
Yeah, on the 5 minute, there was almost like a doji.
Yeah, it's like it's dying down on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
I need more. What are your confirmations though for buys? Because you want to stay disciplined, right? So you got to follow your rules, your confirmations. So what do you need to see to get into a buy?
I mean, to be fair, in that zone that we spoke about, we're actually pushing into it now. It's sort of respecting.
Share your chart. Let's see.
Yeah, so because this is broken,
is that a 1 hour zone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Technically, if I look down to the top wick of that area, like the top body, yeah, that's pretty much on the button. Candles close below 20 EMA. Still looking bearish, but then yeah, it's literally entering that oversold zone. Yeah, because this will be the next support in it. This area here that we spoke about.
Yeah.
So if we were going to get into a sell, TP would have been here, but then what's that? 8. Yeah, it's not bad to be fair.
Decent. It's a nice range below.
But yeah, this is what I'm saying here. It's like run out of steam, and then there's a little doji, and then potential.
Yeah, I mean, if this 30 minute breaks the low, I might be looking for some sells down.
It breaks this low.
Yeah, if it breaks the last low, so at 13.18, yeah. I'm looking for sales down to 26.06, I think.
Things are just not enough here for. I mean, it's the area we wanted for a buy, but that candle's will come out of this zone.
Yeah, like if I was looking for a buy, then I need this 30 minute to close back above 27.18, so back in that last range. And then I'm looking for buys, but yeah, I need to buy from a support level. I'm not near one yet. Yeah. For me, anyway. And then, yeah, it would be like a fake out.
Yeah, could then go in there and then drop that down.
That's a good push up though. 25 pip push up.
It's just kind of broken structure a bit because it's broken this low.
Exactly.
You know what? All these ads are pissing me off. I might just buy that thing. How much is it?
It's like 120, 130, but Wait till November. They do a big Black Friday sale. So unless they're offering you a discount, yeah, wait for the Black Friday sale because you get like a good like 50, 60, 70% off. I
Okay.
think at least, yeah, and it's worth it because they give you an extra month too, so you get like 13 months.
Right, so the other group said to close gold at break even. We'll look for entry at 2620 or 2622. Between two zones, it might dump straight to 2600. We'll have a pullback. Look for the pullback and enter. I'm guessing he's talking about the two zones that I've got green. We've highlighted the same zone.
Does he show charts?
No. He does he? Yeah, he does sometimes. Let me see if I can. Let me see if he's got a gold chart on there. He does. Oh yeah, shit! I forgot I'm on here, innit? I can. That was the one this morning, though.
Okay. He's on them high Kanashi candles as well. This could be a retest of that resistance.
Yeah, could just tap the line in it.
Yeah, it could be a break and retest, or if it closes, if it pushes it back above, daily flips bullish, then yeah, it's looking good for buyers again.
Were you doing Saturday mix?
Nothing.
Okay, you know it's my birthday Sunday.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, I got ball on Sunday though, innit?
Okay.
I was just gonna tell everyone come around Saturday.
Alright.
Just do chilled vibes, run to a tune.
Cool.
Not at home. Just chill out.
Alright,
And then
cool.
I'm going in a couple of weeks.
When are you going away?
13th.
Okay.
13th to the 21st. But I'm not. I say I'm not gonna trade, but
Don't do it. Doesn't go well.
last time was horrific.
Don't do it. Just enjoy your holiday. Enjoy your time off. No pressure, no stress.
True that.
How long are you away for?
Just a week. Well, 6 days really. I'm going from Sunday to Monday.
Sunday to Monday. Okay. So really it's like just 5 trading days.
Yeah. Be back Monday night. Yeah, so about 8 days, yeah. I was just gonna do the Thursday to Monday, but obviously Chloe's mum's on her own, innit? So
Okay.
Chloe's there with her, but I just said, look, I've got to be in Portugal anyway, and you've not been to see like mum's place or anything, so
Yeah.
I just if I fly a bit earlier, then you can come over for like 4 days, and then or like Julia and them land on the Thursday, so they'll go. If they go back same time at Julian's Landing, then at least I can drop into the airport and pick him up same time.
Yeah, that's true. It's a good idea.
Yeah, so... And I don't know how I'm going to survive, man. Weekend day, I don't even like soca music.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, it's Adrian, isn't it? And then when they're carnivalists already.
Oh yeah, I can't do soca music, man.
I've got about 20 minutes max, and then that's me. I just, so, yeah, man. Let's see what I'm doing.
Look at that, push right back up in this range. See how this 15-minute candle closes. It's like the daily's gonna flip back bullish. Made the longer daily bottom wick, possibly to continue up.
Little engulf in there.
Right.
Yeah, so this would be good for like entries, isn't it?
Hold on, let me come back to the Zoom. What do you mean? What would be?
As in, if you're looking for like a nice early entry, or roughly, like you could use the, rather than waiting for the 1 hour or the 30, or even the 30 minute, but like if this, it's engulfed the last one anyway, but if it closes like around here, then you'll try and get in probably 2620.
I'll be honest with you, I couldn't use the 15 minutes for entries. I don't. It never goes well for me. So I have to wait for the 30 minute. I have to wait for the 30 minute. But yeah, it would depend. For me to get into buys now, the 30 minute has to close back above the range. So back above 26.18.
Yeah.
And then I could look for buys up. And then obviously the daily's bullish too. So at least I'd have that time frame on my side. Because right now, this just could be making a nice top wick. We still got so much time for this 30-minute candle to close. It could just wick and then push down, flip bearish, and then keep going through this range.
Yep.
And then if it does do that, if it does break that last low, I'm probably still looking for sells, because wow, that's a big top wick. Yeah, I don't even know. I don't even know.
That's looking rejecty.
Very, very, very. To be fair, like the nice sells for me would have been a retest of that broken level, that broken support. So 26.18. That would have been an aggressive entry for me.
So nobody got in yet.
No.
Nah, I'm thinking to though. I'm hovering over the button.
And with the buy button.
The sell button.
Oh.
The sell button, because it came back in the range which I wanted it to do, but it's rejecting that area now. So, because I want it to pull back down to 26.06. I think that's where I really want to get in the buys. I might just go in at a smaller lot size and just use a bigger stop loss just to see if it plays out. Maybe add some positions on the way down.
I hate getting into position in the middle of.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Like them four bearish candles, like that right there will scare me to like, alright, well, I'm just gonna wait to.
Yeah, we need like a little bullish candle, something to break it up.
Mm-hmm. Give me a valid entry point.
But then if it closes like with a weak bullish candle, then I'm definitely looking for some sells. But then look at the 15-minute time frame. H, go to the 15-minute time frame. Mad bear candles.
But if you peep on the bottom wick on the last couple. Like the first ones wasn't really creating the bottom wicks. Well, the first three did, but the ones following that.
Yeah.
And then now it started creating the bottom wicks again, so that could be a small buy indication for a little bit.
Okay.
Along with that that overbought area.
Yeah.
I use that same RSI on mine too on TradingView.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in the buy.
Oh.
But I got my stop loss though down at 26, 11, 12, something like that.
Okay,
Not
okay.
Not too crazy.
So was that based off like a fib level?
Yeah, it's based off the fib level and that I don't know what time frame we was on when we was looking when I was talking about that zone that he had that he got marked up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like that zone is going. It can be respected. Like if that zone is wasn't there right now.
Yeah.
Like if it creates a wick on a 30-minute or like the hour outside of that zone for the push up, then that's kind of like what I was hoping for. What I was looking at.
Okay.
Like a small retrace or something back up to what's that first resistance it broke. Go up a little bit more. Right there. What price is that?
26.25.
Yeah, hoping for like a retest of 26.25 and then continue to push back down. That'll also create a head and shoulders a little bit. What time frame are you on right now?
1 hour.
Yeah, that'll probably also create like a head and shoulders type of vibe on 30 minutes or 15.
Yeah, true.
Then continue to push down. I'm really sick I didn't buy when I woke up. I mean, not buy, sell when I woke up. If my car noise, you just let me know.
Can't hear nothing.
Okay.
Headed into slavery.
I think if I don't get into any trades by 10 o'clock, I'm gonna go to the gym, come back for like 11:30.
Yeah, man.
Both of y'all trade full time now?
Yeah.
Well, mixes by choice. I got made redundant last year at work in November, and I was on garden leave till April, so I've been job hunting. But financial sector right now is crazy because everyone's shutting their gates, man, until new budget set for new year. So there's loads of like hiring freezes and like all these banks and stuff. I was working in banking for like 13 years. So I never really dabbled in the trading side. It was more like private banking, high net worth, like wealth management and stuff, like doing risk. So this has all been, I dabbled in it a couple of years ago, innit, Mitch, remember?
Yeah.
And I was like, and then my banking career took off, and then I kind of just put this on the back burner. But now I revisited it from July. I was just doing signal groups from like November last year, which was like hit and miss. And then since I've been studying in July, I've completed 2 courses now. I've done one with Mix and one somewhere else. So I'm just getting my confidence up, like, trying to refine the strategy.
Yeah, I was like, forget them signals, man. Just do this yourself, not me.
Yeah, signals is cool, but with the signals, in my opinion, you're basing that off of somebody else's analysis. It's cool to have, don't get me wrong, but it's always making sure you take that signal and then go double check it yourself. Versus it popping in the chat, then you just do it like sell here and you just hit sell.
Yeah. Yeah, because I've done that a couple of times over the last few weeks in it, mix. Where
Yeah.
I've looked and I've gone back to the chart and I'm like, nah, I don't really see it. And then they're like, yeah, sorry guys, SL hit. And I'm like, shit, good thing I didn't get in.
Yeah, so it's good that you can look at the chart and make your own analysis based off that. Whereas before you could just take it and you know what I mean, you're out.
Yeah, before I was just on the move, like out and about, and I'll just be on my phone. I'll be like, all right, cool. I just said buy now. And I'll get in there now and then, like, yeah, 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips. And then, like, it just goes quiet. Yeah, I've been burnt a few times.
I mean, honestly speaking, you just gotta figure out, of course, figure out what works for you. But I realize that you gotta don't switch it up too much. Like try to learn like three confirmation techniques for you, and then just master those three. Like for me, it's strictly fibs, zones, and price action. Like,
Yeah.
I really don't do too much with trend lines and I mean I look at patterns and stuff, but that just comes with my time with doing Forex. So it's like I can just naturally see it without going to search for it.
Yeah.
But when I'm actually marking up, like I'm on my graph and I'm trying to see what's up, I'm sticking to Fibonacci zones and price action. And then if I see like a head and shoulder, so at the top, you know, that's just a little bit of extra juice to the analysis.
Yeah. Yeah, I think when at first, like, it was just information overload, man. Like,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
just getting confused. And then you go on YouTube, like, even a couple of weeks ago, I was showing Mix this guy on YouTube. I was like, yeah, man, I just learned this new thing about, like, demand and supply zone. And she was like, that guy's fake. I was like, what? And then, like, get to the videos and he was, like, copying everyone else's stuff. I was thinking, oh, man.
Literally word for word, this guy's just remaking people's videos.
And he's killing it with views as well. He's got millions of views.
Millions of views, and he's selling the course. And then someone said the course that he's selling is not even his.
Mad. Crazy.
Again, he's just copying other people's videos and then selling. Yo, it's mad.
Yeah, you know, I respect his work ethic because he would have had to go in and imagine him making a course off someone else's information. You have to literally like play and pause every slide and then copy it and make another one. Like, it's crazy.
He's got time. He's got time. Or imagine you just record what they're saying, or you get like a little transcribing thing to record what they're saying, and then you just copy their actual video, put your face on it, and then just talk over it.
Yeah, it's true.
Like,
True. There's so much apps and stuff these days, man, that does all that shit for you. Like,
mad.
it's easy. But to identify that as a loophole and making money off someone else's knowledge is crazy.
It is.
You've got to be a certain type of person to do that, man. That's weird.
They call those guys scammers in the Forex world. Okay, looks like we might get that closure back above.
Yeah.
But Drizzy, your buys are short term anyway. You're not really looking to hold them for too long, are you?
So my TP is what price was that again? 625.
Yeah.
But if I see that it's pushing up strong, I'll just put my stop loss and profit and just let it rock out. But
Okay.
right now, I'm not in that 226.15.
Oh yeah, that was a nice entry. Like the bottom of that wick.
Yeah. It's crazy because I'm already up.
Yeah, it's a good like nearly 40 pips.
See, my thing is I don't never really. I trade US 32 on the side. US 30 and NAS, probably S&P. I dabble in that. but it's on a different program. So like I'll be mad that I can't both at the same time.
Yeah, I used to trade S&P. I used to love it.
Yo,
I used to love it.
Once you master gold, I'm not gonna say master, but once you like, get real comfortable with gold, then you transition to indices. It's crazy.
Yeah, see, that's how a lot of people that's their journeys. Just go to the big indices.
Yeah. But if we get a close of 26, 25, yeah, I want to see it touch that 26.30 again.
Okay.
If it touch that again, we get any type of rejection candle, I'm lying up. And I'm gonna take that risk. I'm not gonna risk a lot, man. I probably same thing, 10 pips.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta teach me how to use that Fibonacci thing, man.
Yeah, I got you.
That looks sick, man. Yesterday I was literally sitting there with my mouth open. Like,
I know you look like, what is going on?
Yeah, it's great, and it's crazy because it lines up. It's so interesting how the market really works. It's like it's really a pattern you just gotta find. I know we don't think so, but it's all human behavior. Like we all looking at the same thing. We all looking at the same areas. So it's like them prices be lining up perfect.
That's what I like about fibs. Like it will be you put a level up and you see there's like a support there, so it's like double confirmation.
Mm-hmm. Only thing with the fibs though, I will be honest, you gotta have patience. If your patience is not there with the fibs, it's not gonna work for you, because if you see a price approaching a level, but you're like, it's gonna buy now, but it ain't approached that Fibonacci level yet, you're conflicting with your mind, like, I don't wanna miss this opportunity. And then you'll do something, and then it'll boom. It's going now, as soon as you get in, it goes right to that fib level you're just looking at.
yeah.
So definitely gotta have a patience with that.
For sure.
But then, do you use the fib more for holding your trades? Like, because obviously you hold your trades for quite a while, don't you?
Yeah, I use the fib for anything. Like, if I get in any trade, I'm using the fibs. And I'm using the targets I'm using the Fibonacci points for my targets. And depending on the time part of it, just depends on how long it takes the market to get there. If it takes 2 hours, then I get out. If it takes 5 hours, I'm going to stay in for that 5. So it kind of just depends on how volatile the market is at that point. Like, I don't get in trades with the anticipation of scalping. Like, I want to get in and get out. Exactly.
Okay.
So like right now, I'm in a buy. Price is going back down. I'm not. I'm cool with saying I'm cool with saying to go back red. That makes sense.
Yeah. Like, if this closes weak bullish, then I'm looking at a continuation pattern going down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause I wanted the closure back above, man. But I don't know. We've got 1 minute left. We could do. It's only 10 pips away. But that would have been a nice scalp, though. I would have taken them buys up. What was that? 40 pips. It hit a high. 40 pips? Did you close or are you still in?
I'm still in. Trying not to crash. price to get to 26.19, 26.18.
Yeah, it got to 26.19, 19 and a half. So it was a nice push up. Like if it broke the last 30-minute high as well, which I thought it was going to, at least we would have had an engulfing back in that area. But yeah, it didn't quite get there. Still closed below that range, but I like that we got a green candle anyway. Too many reds. Let's see, how many pips will it be? If it broke that low, stop loss would be on there, about 30 pip stop loss.
But I'm hearing crazy targets though. Like I'm hearing 26.64, 26.70, and all that type.
Oh yeah. I'm thinking at least I've gone up to 26.50. That's what I'm looking for. 100%. Yeah. Like you know what I think, innit? I said on the call. You know, I'm very bullish on gold. Even if it pulls back, I'm still bullish on gold. Definitely. And that's just, I'm not even big on fundamentals, but like I said, something big would have to happen for it to like really pull back. And there's too much things that's making it bullish.
Yeah, I heard there's something going on in one of these countries.
They got, it's the BRICS. So the Russia, India, China, South Africa, I think it's Brazil. Like they're all buying gold like crazy, like to hedge against the dollar. Then you got all the wars. Like this, yeah, it's just too much stuff.
Yeah.
The interest rates going down for USD. That's bullish for gold. So yeah, but then there's the recession as well that everyone's talking about. And it's just high. Even the stock market has to crash at some point. It's just crazy high. But it's things aren't the same as it was like when the markets had the other crashes. So you can't really use that as a guide. Even though the market repeats itself, like the situation's not exactly the same.
Y'all trade crypto? No.
Nah, I'm a buy and hold. For crypto.
Yeah, I think that's when I first started like looking at this, innit? Mix was crypto.
Yes, yeah.
Learning like your Toshis and stuff like that. But yeah, because obviously I was working for a bank and like it wasn't regulated. I was like conflicted, so I can't. So yeah, man.
But a lot of people wanted to get into crypto when it was at all-time highs because everyone was like, yeah, crypto's gone up, it's made mad money, but that was the worst time to get in.
Yo, so with banking, you're not allowed to dabble inside the trading industry, right?
Yeah, so you have to basically disclose it. Like you have to like mention to them that you're independently trading because they could see it as like insider dealing.
Yeah, that's
yeah, and for me, like, I was thinking, I'm not even experienced. I don't even know how to trade, so I'm not even going to try and open that kind of worms.
Yeah.
So I didn't want that attention, so I just thought, yeah, I'll just leave it alone. Like now I'm out of it completely. I can do what I want. So I want to try and really nail this trader strategy, man, because I've got a meeting Wednesday in Chelsea, in central London, with this this new trading group. They're called Financial Markets Online.
I heard of.
Yeah, so they gave me this course to do. I'm basically on a 3-month free trial. So I've basically got to open up I think it's a sister trading company to Advantage called Star Trader. And I just had to deposit like £400. And then you can go in and they give you like one-on-one training and you complete this online course, which I've done. And then they've got a event on Thursday, which is like a live trading day. You go in the office and then they sit there and you trade together, but they don't touch gold at all. So I'm a bit like, I don't know.
I'm surprised how trade GBP.
Yeah, I know. I think there's a legislation that came out, I think it was earlier this year or towards the end of last year. But like, I think they said they were going to start taxing, I think they're allowing you now to trade, but they will tax your income over a certain amount. Whereas before there was no tax, hence why no one was really trading in GBP. But yeah, they're alright, man. No, cool. There was a lot of information. Actually, I might still have it open. Yeah, this is all the stuff I did. Of course.
And you got through it in like a day, 2 days, couple of days.
Yeah, I was on it. You know me already when I'm on. I sat here and just binged it all, man. But it's mad because like out of this course I did for these guys, I probably made like 4 pages of notes.
Yeah.
And your course I made like 20. So yeah, man. It was, now I've got both of them done and dusted. Let's see what they're saying. Yeah, I think I've still got those for them.
Do they do live trading sessions every day, don't they?
Yeah, they do. No, I think if you go into the office, I think you'll have someone there with you and you can just run some trades with them.
But they don't do anything over Zoom. I thought they did like a daily.
No, so I think it's a couple times a week.
Okay.
They do the seminar thing, but again, it was more like you got an expert there on the other end of the phone, and you're asking them about the currency pairs that you trade.
Okay.
So like, give me your analysis on blah blah blah, and he's like, yeah, and he'll go through on the charts, like, yeah, this looks like this and this and this. I'll try and get it out here, but make sure you use your EMAs and you use this and use that.
Okay.
So, yeah, but the two strategies that they showed me, it was these two, intraday and then end of day strategy. I don't think that will work for me because I can't see myself getting up at like 6 doing that and then not looking at my charts again until after 10 o'clock.
But they're more like swing trading, isn't it?
Yeah, let's let it play out for the day. Oh, it's talk of the devil, they just messaged me now.
Trade's still looking good, Drizzy. The trade's still looking good.
Yeah, I'm still. They go back there.
This time though, man, 9:30, between 9:30 and 11:30. So from now on for another 2 hours, for me is low volume time.
So 11:30 or whatever would be 7:30.
What time is it now for you?
4:40 in the morning.
4:45. So you're 5 hours behind. Yeah, so it would be 6:30.
Oh, 9:30.
6:37. When I get back on the charts to start looking for pre-NY.
What time you said it's 9 o'clock over 7 o'clock over there?
9:30 now.
Oh, 9:30, okay.
Yeah, so now for me it's like, yeah, weak candles. I'm about to go look for some more food.
Literally about to cut this watermelon, then I'm going straight on the. I'm gonna hit the gym because if I don't go now, I know I'm like.
Yeah. I feel like I don't think I'm gonna take anything. You know, for me, innit, this time is dead. I don't like this time, so.
It's just in that zone right now, and I'm like, which way are you gonna go?
Oh, it's the hovering, man. It's gonna bullshit. I feel like it's gonna bullshit. I'm not here for it.
Look at this. It's got like even wick either side, and just sitting in the middle of the zone.
Oh, don't.
I don't think it's gonna feel like top hook, you know.
I mean, I don't want it to. I want it to for Drizzy, but I don't want it to for me.
Yeah. I got my stop loss close anyway, so like if it do sell, I'm more people right. It's like $40.
So this, I'll send in a Discord. So this is what I'm. If it's a bearish continuation pattern, that's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Because this candle's kind of, again, it's like a break and retest. It's not closed up in that range, but it's retested that 26.18 again and pulled back. But it's just taking too long about it.
Let me check these rules and see what they're saying.
15 minute looks like it's about to close. Well, it is about to close. But the 15 minute looks good for sales, to be fair.
Yeah. Wait, what level is that? That's 26.13. Yeah, it's about the same, yeah. Because if it breaks that this candle here, 26.13.
Yeah, and it's that weak bullish candle, but it's to the downside.
I'm gonna have a rubbish workout if I put a trade on now and go gym.
Yeah, you be looking at your phone, innit?
Every period
On it. Sure, I forgot I was still on YouTube. Jesus.